Have you ever looked at your kids' backpacks and realized that they kind of all look the same? It doesn't matter where they are, they somehow end up getting mixed up. And paper name tags don't usually last that long. So today I'm going to show you how to make adorable custom acrylic name keychains. Perfect for backpack, and they're not only cute, they're super practical too. The best part is you don't have to be a professional designer to create something that looks polished. We'll be designing these together from scratch using fonts from Fabrica. Once you learn the process behind making these keychains, you can make them for just about anybody. So if you've been wanting to get more comfortable designing your very own laser projects, or if you've always wondered how to create those personalized acrylic keychains, then you are in the right place. Let's go ahead and jump into Fabrica and start the process. Now, first things first, I already have my fonts downloaded, so that makes this process go a lot faster. We are in Silhouette Studio, and we are going to use this program to design our keychains. On the left side, I'm going to grab the text tool, and then I'm going to click on the screen and then start typing whichever name that I want. This beautiful font is called KL Mismatched, and it's a super fun font duo that I highly recommend. Now, we're going to right-click on our text, and then we are going to hit offset. This is going to give us the different layers for our keychain. We have our main word, our main name layer, and then we have the larger offset. So that's going to be the backer piece. Now, I don't want all the little pieces on the inside, so I'm going to right click that, hit release compound path, and then delete all of the little extras that fit in between the letters. I don't really want that for our backer piece. Now I'm just going to change the colors around just so you can see them a little bit better. You can see our layers in a more contrasting view. So now we need to add the circle part that our keychain is actually going to hold on to. So I'm going to start by grabbing the oval tool on the left-hand side there. And to get a perfect circle, you want to hold down Shift and then click and drag your circle, and it makes it perfectly round. Make a smaller version of that and then put it inside of that circle to make the key ring available. Once you get those perfectly lined up and centered, then you're going to want to click and make those to a compound path. And then you're going to select that and the backer piece. And then you're going to right click and then hit weld. This way it all becomes one solid unit here. Now we're going to do the exact same thing for the rest of the names that we want to work with. I will say, in the end, I ended up changing my mind on the font selection, and I did change it to Dream Wishes, which is also a really amazing font duo. So go ahead and check out both of those fonts. They're great for designing keychains and laser related things, just because they're not too skinny and you really want a good thick font when it comes to lasering things, especially if you want them to be a little bit smaller. Now it's time to go ahead and fire up the laser and get this started. So here I have something called Dual Tight, and this is a double-sided adhesive, and it makes the process so much easier when you want to glue things to other things, essentially. So we won't have to fight around with any glue and make sure none of it's dripping out. All we have to do is put this on both sides, and it's going to make it such a faster process. Now we have our acrylic in the laser bed, and I'm just going to move that around until it's at the very top left corner, just so we're not wasting any acrylic. After I get that perfectly centered in my origin point, and I'm going to go ahead and autofocus that so that it knows exactly how far away the material is. And then you get to sit back and watch your laser do the magic. This is really fun to just sit back and watch. And at this time, you can also go ahead and get your white acrylic ready to go. I will say that if you have some stubborn acrylic, tapping it gently in the laser bed helps it come detached. Makes it a lot easier to grab it. So we're going to do the exact same process with our white acrylic. We're going to frame it out, autofocus it, and then we get to sit back and watch it cut all of our beautiful backers out. Now, with the backers, we did not want to put any of the 3M or the dual tight adhesive on that, just because we don't want that to stick to anything. We only want our top layer to stick to this one. So only add it on your top layer. After everything is cut, now comes the most tedious point, and that is removing all of the masking. I will say that this part does get quite long, especially with the tiny little pieces. However, if you use some tweezers and maybe a razor blade, it helps it go a lot faster. So just a little tip there. Now we're going to go ahead and remove that very top layer of masking, and then remove that thin layer of the dual tite on the back, and then you really very carefully center that within your keychain, and then you want to press firmly. Once it's on there, it's not coming off. So you want to make sure that you have it centered and exactly where you want it to be before you push down. Now I will say with this specific acrylic, this has the chrome iridescent beautiful opal on the top. That is not acrylic itself. That is a layer of film on top of acrylic. So you really want to be careful using razor blades or anything sharp on that section, just because you can damage that part. So just be aware of that. Now we're going to go ahead and grab a little O-ring keychain and our little clamp on there, and then just go ahead and add that to all of your keychains, and then you are just about done. Now you have beautiful keychains to add to backpacks, anything that you want. And that's it. In just a little bit of time, you've learned how to create your very own customized acrylic name keychain that's both functional and cute. Now that you know how to use offsets and build your own layered designs, you can take this exact same technique and apply it to so many other laser projects. The options are endless. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for new crafty videos every week. And if you're looking for even more fun fonts, SVGs, graphics, and so much more, head over to Create a Fabrica. Thank you so much for watching this video. I can't wait to see you in the next one.